Hi, this is Luca from luca@stefani.com and my self-publishingrevolution.com, and I am straight into my Clickbank account today because I would like to show you what kind of earnings I'm having with Clickbank. Now, what people don't know is that I make all sorts of money online. I don't only make money from self-publishing or Kindle publishing, which is perhaps what I'm best known for. But the reality is that I make all sorts of money from other platforms as well. And so today I thought it was a good idea because I had nothing to do just to show you, my Clickbank account. Now, as you can see, let's start from the weekly sales snapshot. Well, of course, the current week hasn't begun yet. I mean, it has begun, but it hasn't finished yet. And so of course the earning is only 260, which I think it was yesterday. Yes, 260.43 of yesterday's earning. And today, of course, I'm at zero because, as you can see, it's 1. This is 1 p.m. In Italy, and so people in the States haven't woken up yet. And of course, due to time zone, I haven't received any purchases. But anyway, my biggest week on Clickbank would be this 26th of April ending week, which was above $5,000, as you can see, and I had two kind of little below $3,000 weeks. So all in all, I mean, you can see that it's above 5, 7, 5, 7, 9. It's around $10,000. In a month, give or take. I'm not calculating exactly. It could be more, it could be less. I don't care. Because I mean, the dollar amount is not really important. The reality is that you can make a lot of money. I don't care if it is 4,000, 6,000, or 10,000, or 15,000. So, I mean, you can make a lot of money every week with Clickbank. Now, the way you make money with Clickbank is both from affiliates and from selling products on Clickbank, and I admittedly do both. So I both sell my video course on Clickbank, and I also have affiliate earnings from campaigns and from links around the internet, all my ninja tricks and tips. But I just, this shows you. Of course, I've increased the size because I don't want you to see other things in my account, like suggested products, because that would be my competition. I don't want you to buy their products. So let's take a look at my actual dashboard here. And my biggest day would be this day, 2,204. And of course, I mean, the days fluctuate greatly because, I mean, you cannot, that's the point with Clickbank and with any business. I mean, of course, the amount of people that actually buy your products, your courses, and click on your affiliate links, of course, vary greatly between days. Now, unfortunately, on the 2nd of May, and it hadn't happened in a while, I had a $0 a day day that happens. I mean, I'm only human, so sometimes I think it was my lowest day, the 2nd of May. I don't know why. It was my lowest day. I think that day I only made about 150 or $200 in a day overall my business. Of course, I made zero on Clickbank, but I made, I think, $200 with my self-publishing business and with a few other things. But all in all, I mean, you can see that the days in which I went above the $1,000 a day mark with Clickbank, well, it would be actually 4. You can see 3. 1 is already gone. So there is 1,236, 2,000, and then there is a 1,000 here. I remember another 1,000, but I'm not gonna go back. I don't care. So you can see, I mean, it's a great source of income to have, and especially what I like about Clickbank is that it pays weekly. So you have every Wednesday you will receive a check or wire transfer, in my case, and so you will receive money weekly, which is great. I mean, this really shows you how much money you can make, and it didn't really take me long to achieve these levels. And I'm showing this because, again, people associate me with self-publishing and Kindle publishing and CreateSpace and ACX, and I'm achieving great results with that. I'm actually making a lot of money with ACX, but the reality is that I make a lot of money with Clickbank, and you can do this too. Now, Now, the purpose of this video is not only to brag, which I am doing, of course, but it's to impress upon you to what you can do. And so I'm going to put some links to products that you can buy that can teach you how to achieve these results with Clickbank. And of course, no product is perfect. You should keep this in mind. But there are products like Clickbank University, like CB Passive Income, and there is an whole bunch of ways that you can learn to achieve these results. Of course, people when people see these results, they usually ask me, Luca, how do you do it? What's the number one trick that you can give me? And yes, I mean, of course, I could point you to a main direction, but the point I'm trying to make is that you need a lot of things, a lot of techniques to get to this level, and it snowballs very quickly as well. Again, you can go, take this jump for example. On the 25th of April, I made $136, which anyway ain't bad, with Clickbank, and then the following day I made 2,204 and whatever, and yeah. So this really shows you how much money you can make. Below this YouTube video, I will put some resource. I will put some video course and programs and trainings that you can take. And I advise you to try them out. They all come with a 60-day money-back guarantee, which, well, I pretty much never use, because I don't ever ask for a refund. I hate people asking me for refunds, and of course certain people do. With my course, they get clever, and so they ask for a refund after they have taken screenshots and recordings of my videos, and then they wonder why they lose in life. But anyway, I will put some links for you guys. So yeah, that's my dashboard. I do have all dashboards, but I don't want to log in and out. That's my major one. And yeah, so you can make money with Clickbank. I make all sorts of money with. I will sometimes just get into my PayPal account and show you what kind of money I make for PayPal. So that's it for now. Take care.